There are multiple ways to both recognize and reduce unconscious bias, and I'm going to focus on 4. The first one I'd like to talk about is just paying attention to the hits that you're getting, that something is bubbling up. My second recommendation is to breathe. The third strategy I want to share with you, take advantage of the Harvard Implicit Association test. And 4, seek intergroup interaction. We are not wedded to our unconscious biases, but that we can use them to grow, to transform, to be intentional about our professionalism.
I just come out of Stacie's speech and I wanted to say how impressed I was.
I'd have to say that she provided some incredible information.
Telling her personal story was very touching.
Really wonderful to hear how she was able to take her own personal story and offer it as a way to show how we're all impacted by bias.
One of the things I really appreciated about her was her vulnerability, her honesty.
I actually had a personal breakthrough as well when she discussed the IAT.
Very heartwarming, very heartfelt.
I would recommend listening to Stacie anytime.
So it was very helpful to me as a fellow clinician and practitioner of this to see how she does it, and I want to draw from that and then spread the word.